Hey guys, welcome back to Technologies YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you how you can turn your old smartphone into a dash cam for your car. Very easy and very important video guys, so don't miss it. So guys, there's no doubt that a dash cam can really come in handy in your car, not just to record meters and flying car, but more practical events like collisions and aggressive driving. But instead of buying one, you can just use equipment you already have and a freely available app. Guys, you do not to have a camera or any other hardware other than your mobile phone. You can easily convert your old smartphone into a dash cam for your car. So by now everyone probably has an old smartphone stashed away in a desk drawer. Wouldn't it be nice if put that device to good use? Today we are going to talk about how to set up and use your old smartphone as a dash cam, not only saving your money but giving you a cool project to boot. So how to set the hardware? Aside from your old smartphone, you will need a charging cable long enough to reach the power outlet in your vehicle, as well as dashboard or window mount. So the cable is easily available on Amazon. You can easily find cable like in 10 to $20. So once you have gathered the necessities, place your mount on the dashboard or windshield in such a way that it captures the best view of the road ahead. You want to mount your smartphone turn dash cam in such a way that it is pointed down the middle of the hood and records equal part of the car, right and left sides. So what to look for in a dashcam app? When it comes to the software, you have a lot of options. These so-called black box apps come with a long list of features, but we need something that records continuously, tracks our location and estimated speed, date, time, adjustable videos, and etc. and many other things. This last bit is important because any dashcam, whether it is a smartphone or dedicated dashcam device, you need to know that you won't run out of memory and not be able to record anymore unless your old smartphone has heaps of extra storage space. Lowering the video quality can help you get a lot more recording time. On the other hand, too low of video quality might give you unusable results, so it's matter of finding a happy medium. Changing the recording time can help with this problem. If your device has a smallish capacity, then you can keep the recording time low and simply loop over the previous recording each time. Don't forget also that this is a smartphone we are talking about, so if you are short on storage space, you can always delete apps, photos and other stuff, or just reset it to factory condition. Whatever the case, you have options, especially if your device will allow you to expand the storage. So for Android, AutoBoy Dashcam Black Box is best application for dashcam. If you have an old smartphone you are no longer using, we usually recommend start using something like AutoBoy Dashcam Black Box or AutoGuard Dashcam Black Box. These applications are easily available on a Play Store, so you can easily download them. AutoBoy has a clean smart interface and it is very easy to use. Let's have a look at just some of the many settings. Under the general setting, you will be able to turn on the shock sensor, which will measure the impact of a collision and change the unit setting from kilometers per hour to miles. Another unique feature is emergency auto dial, which will dial an emergency contact number, for example 911 or any other emergency contact. Checking out the recording setting, you can adjust the recording time and maximum storage allotment, which is 10 gigabytes by default. Another important setting you might want to consider is video quality. The lower the quality, the more recordings you can fit into your storage allot. So for us, for iPhone dashcam, if you are using an old phone, then the choice is simple: dashcam. Dashcam includes all the necessary features we need, including but not limited to speed, location and loop recording. Dashcam is among a selection of several other viable choices in the App Store, but it's the only one that appears to have any rating behind it, and its most recent version has got highly favorable reviews. So guys, this is a very useful application for dashcam if you want to convert your mobile into a dashcam for your car. So simply just download the app and use it. So guys, if you like the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. We will meet in our next tutorial. See you soon.